Hello, this is day 7, and we're going to be a little quick tonight. I have not looked at anything. Hello, Bodie. That's Bodie, the red front macaw. What I did was I noticed the rustling of the bags is really loud. So I did cut into them, and I realized something as I'm learning how to do videos, that that you can film a video and then you can like have it timed. So I filmed video 6 yesterday. Today's day 5, actually, Thursday. And so I'm doing day 7 now because it's Jingle Ball weekend. So you might look up Jingle Ball 2024, Stephanie Webb. It's awesome. So let's get started. This is Caterpillar. Let the festivities begin. See, remember I told you, here's a little picture. It has elves. So, you know, I sort of know what it is. Oh, I did want to say something about yesterday because I watched the Caterpillar cross-stitch unboxing their own things, and it is lavender. It's a really pretty lilac Ada, and it says there's 3 projects. So we have some beautiful floss. We have 2. We have DMC 3354 and 977. It's like a pink. And is this orangey kind of? Is this orangey? I think my light bulb went out. I do have another light, but so yay! So they said there's 3 projects. And then we put it back in the wonderful Caterpillar box. This is really cool. It's a really cool box that you can reuse. And then, so we know we opened it, we flip it over the other way so you can see it ends up to be a scene, some pictures when you're done. So that's pretty cool. Okay, day 7. This is Stitchy Box. I cut really carefully because I was worried. So I didn't cut this way. I kind of like cut this way to make sure I didn't cut, which is good because it's fabric. $14 Ada. Peridot? I want to say Peridot. Fabulous hand-dyed fabric for your Christmas stitching. Day 7, and I do love hand-dyed fabric a lot. It's 14 count, which I like. So they give you, usually they don't give you a 1/8 exactly. So I think 12 inches by maybe 8 or 12 by 10. I'll measure that. I'll measure that and get back to you on day 8. So that's really nice. I think Stitchy Box also has a pattern. Now, day 7 Black Needle Society. Okay, so I'm doing it the nice way. Okay, I'm trying to make different stacks, and this is really funny because I'm stacking by designer Advent box, but I think I'm gonna start I think I'm gonna start stacking by fabric, by floss. So I'm doing it the nice list. So when I scan the day, if I try to scan the day ahead of the one I'm at, it won't tell me anything. It's brilliant. I don't know how Katie and Laura do it. It's just brilliant. Now, I could be not, in it, but I'm not going to. I just can't do it. But I am opening like a few days ahead because otherwise I'll never get all my Vlogmas. Vlogmas? Is that right, Bodie? Okay, sounds good. Okay, I think this is a cassette tape. It's a small little box. Black Needle Society. Did I cut this one? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. This one doesn't rustle though. Oh. What's that? Bodie, did you say what's that? It sounded like you said what's that. Oh, this smells so good. Look. Smell it. It's spiced cranberry. Oh, It smells like spiced apple though. I love spiced apple. Bath and Body Co. rinse, spiced cranberry, 98% natural. Is there a theme? Is there a theme? Oh, I'm a bather, so I'm really excited about that. Oh my, I really love this smell. It's very Christmassy. Okay. Oh my gosh, day 7 is from Liz Matthews. This is the Kitten Stitcher Shakespeare box, which is called Most Wonderful Christmas 2024. Oh, Liz Matthews. Oh, there's a card. Merry Christmas. I love it. Merry Christmas to you. Wishing you a holiday filled with love, laughter, and stitching. Check out the Hello from Liz Matthews on Patreon. Yay, another one. There's so many wonderful designers. It's just crazy. It's just crazy. Oh, I like this. I like the colors. I like the colors a lot. So we have a sampler, Shakespeare's Peddler. I notice is very into samplers. Glad tidings of comfort and great joy. It's very cool. I'm really weird about alphabets. I feel like they should be correct. You know, they have missing letters and stuff because it's Old English. It has DMC, 36 count. Okay, I will not be stitching on 36 count. Oh, it says it does do weeks dye work. So it just depends on what you want to use. It has Mountain Mist for weeks dye works. So, oh, I love her. She's like, look, if you don't want to do 36 count, do what you want. I love when they give you how big it'll be by different counts. And I love when they give you what you need to look at to use one of the counters right on your phone that tells you how much fabric you need. Oh, is that a cardinal? Because I do love cardinals. And then we have some snowflakes. Very cool. All right, that's day 7. I told you it'd be a quickie. Bodie, can you say upstairs? Can you say it's time to go upstairs? That's it. Upstairs. I'm trying to get him used to the camera. So one day you might hear him talk. Day 7. Day 7. Day 7. So, if I were you, I would plan on Advent boxes because they're wonderful. Thank you and good night.